Welcome to EduPom EdTech India. You're watching Expert Biology with Manisha Vidhi, and the topic for the video is today we are going to talk about barrier methods, that is the second type of method. Okay, so what does it mean by barrier method? Let's see first of all the principle. Okay, यहाँ पे होता क्या है? The main principle is to avoid the meeting, okay, or you can say the prevent the physical meeting. To prevent the physical meeting of ovum and sperms, okay, to prevent the physical meeting of ovum and sperms. And how is it practiced? By the help of condoms or diaphragms, cervical caps or cervical caps, and votes. Okay, now these are the two kinds of barrier methods. Now let's study about the first method. Okay. The first method is use of condoms. Now see, this is the barrier. This is a barrier which is made up of rubber. Okay, it is made up of rubber or latex sheet. Okay, the first point is that these condoms are made up of rubber or latex sheet. Okay, so these condoms are made up of rubber or latex sheets used for covering penis in case of male. Okay, penis in case of male and cervix in case of female. Okay, now it also prevents, it not only acts as a birth control method, but it also prevents STDs. Okay, the sexual transmitted diseases, okay, like AIDS, or you can say gonorrhea. All of these are STDs. So it also prevents STDs. Okay, and it is used just before coitus so that semen does not enter the female reproductive parts. Okay, so it is used just before the coitus so that the semen won't enter the female reproductive parts. Okay, so this is its main function. Also, Nirod is a brand. Nirod is a condom brand for males. Okay, so this is the first kind of barrier method. Now let's talk about the second one. The second one is the use of diaphragms, cervical caps, and volts. Now what are these? So these are again the barriers. These are again the barriers which are made up of rubber. Okay, inserted into female reproductive tract. Inserted into female reproductive tract during coitus. Okay, अब इन सब के अलावा what are used? इन सब के अलावा स्पर्मिसाइडल क्रीम्स या जेलीज, ओके, या फोम्स यूज करे जाते हैं. ठीक है, जेल्स, स्पर्मिसाइडल क्रीम्स, जेल्स या फोम्स यूज करे जाते हैं, ठीक है। इन सब के मतलब ये जितने भी हम लोग बैरर मेथड्स यूज करे जा रहे हैं, जो बैरर मेथड्स के बारे में हमने बताया, ठीक है, इन बैरर मेथड्स के साथ यूज ऑफ स्पर्मिसाइडल क्रीम्स, फोम्स एंड जेल्स करे जाते हैं। क्यों? टू इंक्रीज, in order to increase their contraceptive efficiency. Okay, so the use of spermicidal creams, gels and foams along with these two burial methods, along with the condoms and the diaphragms and cervical caps and bolts is done in order to increase their contraceptive efficiency. Okay, so in the next video I'm going to talk about intrauterine devices, that is the third form of the contraceptive methods.